Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn French with Megha. Today's topic is les adverbes interrogatifs, interrogative adverbs in French. In this video, we are going to learn commonly used interrogative adverbs, their placement, and how to make questions in French using these adverbs interrogative. So, what are interrogative adverbs? Interrogative adverbs are the words which are used to ask questions for more information. They are not used to answer simply yes or no. Let's see some commonly used interrogative adverbs. Combien ou combien de means how much or how many. Comment, how. Où means where. D'où means from where. Pourquoi means why. Quand means when. So, these are the commonly used interrogative adverbs of French: combien ou combien de, comment, où, d'où, pourquoi, quand. Let's see the examples of each interrogative adverb. Combien ou combien de means how much or how many. For example, combien ça coûte? How much does it cost? Combien de stylos avez-vous? How many pens do you have? Then, comment means how. Comment as-tu fait ça? How did you do this? Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? So, comment means how, but it sometimes used as what. Like, comment vous appelez-vous means what is your name. Then, où. Où means where. For example, où allez-vous? Where are you going? Où habite-t-il? Where does he live? Then, d'où means from where. D'où sont-ils? Where are they from? Or, d'où venez-vous? Where are you coming from? Then, pourquoi means why. Pourquoi pleure-t-elle? Why is she crying? Pourquoi partez-vous? Why are you leaving? It is important to note that we answer to the question pourquoi, why, by using past, which means because. So whenever we have question in pourquoi, we answer it by past. For example, we have a question, pourquoi partez-vous? Why are you leaving? Je pars parce que j'ai du travail. I am leaving because I have some work. Then quand means when. Quand tu vas au parc? When you go to park. Quand vient-elle? When she is coming. Now let's see the placement of interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are usually placed at the beginning of the question. However, in spoken French, they can be placed at the end. In that case, they are stressed with rising intonation. For example, comment tu t'appelles? So, here we have put comment, adverb interrogative, at the beginning. But we can also say, tu t'appelles comment? What is your name? Let's see one more example. D'où viens-tu? Where are you from? But we can also say, tu viens d'où? Where are you from? Tu viens d'où? So when we put adverb interrogative at the end of the question, they are stressed with rising intonation. Tu t'appelles comment? Tu viens d'où? But it is important to note that pourquoi can never be placed at the end of the question. Now let's see three forms of making questions by using interrogative adverbs. First one is with rising intonation. For example, comment elle joue? How she plays? Then with est. Comment est elle joue? But while using this form, adverb interrogatives cannot be placed at the end of the question. So when we use this form, adverb interrogative cannot be placed at the end of the question. We cannot say est-ce qu'elle joue comment? It will be wrong. Then the third one is with inversion. Comment joue-t-elle? Comment joue-t-elle? So with interrogative adverbs, you can use any of these three forms to make questions in French. If you want to learn these three forms in detail, you can go through my earlier video, L'Interrogation Part 2, of which you can find the link below in the description. Interrogative adverbs are also used to ask indirect questions. For example, je ne sais pas comment il va. I don't know how he is doing. J'oublie où tu vas. I forgot where are you going. Now, let's find the questions of some sentences. Elle va à Paris. She is going to Paris. So, what will be the question of this sentence? She is going to Paris means where is she going? And where means où. So, we will write où va-t-elle. Here we have used the inversion method. Où va-t-elle? Il part à 6 heures du soir. He leaves at 6 o'clock in the evening. So, when does he leave? When means quand. Quand part-il? When he leaves. Or we can also say quand est-ce qu'il part? Or quand il part. So we can use any of the one form to make questions in French. Ils ont deux enfants. They have two children. So, how many children do they have? Combien d'enfants ont-ils? Combien d'enfants ont-ils? How many children they have? Mon frère est très intelligent. My brother is very intelligent. So, how is your brother? So, we will write comment est ton frère? How means comment? Comment est ton frère? So, while making questions and using interrogative adverbs, we can use any of the three forms, intonation with est or inversion. But while using est, we cannot put adverb interrogative at the end of the question. Hope you found this lesson useful. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. But don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the notification icon. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt.